Namaste, good morning students. Myself Jbin Jyotik Mawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Students, today I am going to teach you the topic Assessment of Learning. The topic Assessment of Learning refers to the strategies designed to confirm what students know, demonstrate whether or not they have met curriculum outcomes or the goals of their individualized program, or to certify proficiency and make decisions about students' future programs or placements. It is designed to provide evidence of achievement to parents, other educators, the students themselves, and sometimes to outside groups. The purpose of assessment that typically comes at the end of a course or a unit of instructions is to determine the extent to which the instructional goals have been achieved and for grading or certification of student achievement. So assessment of learning is the assessment that become public and result in the statements or symbols about how well students are learning. It often contribute to pivotal decisions that will affect students' future. It is important that the underlying logic or measurements of assessment learning be credible and defensible. Now, here is the top point that what is the role of teachers in assessment of learning, because the consequences of assessment of learning are often far reaching and affect students seriously. Teachers have the responsibility of reporting student learning accurately and fairly based on evidence obtained from a variety of context and application. Effective assessment of learning requires the teachers provide teacher a rationale for undertaking a particular assessment of learning at a particular point of time, and also the clear description of the intended learning process that make it possible for students to demonstrate their competence and skill, a range of alternative mechanisms for assessing the same outcomes, public and defensible reference points for making judgment, transparent approaches to interpretation, descriptions of the assessment process, strategies for resources in the event of disagreement about the decision. With the help of their teacher, students can look forward to assessment of learning tasks as occasions to show their competence as well as the depth and breadth of their learning. Now here is the point: planning assessment of learning. How can we plan? The purpose of assessment of learning is to measure, certify, and report the level of students' learning so that the reasonable decisions can be made about students. There are many potential users of the information. First, teachers who can use the information or to communicate with parents about their children's proficiency and progress. Parents and students who can use the result for making educational and vocational decisions. Potential employers and post-secondary institutions who can use the information to make decisions about the hiring or acceptance. And principals, districts or divisions, administration and teachers who can use the information to review and revise the program. The assessment of learning requires the collection and interpretation of information about students' accomplishment in important curricular areas in ways that represent the nature and complexity of the intended learning. Because genuine learning of our understanding is much more than just recognition or recall of fact or algorithm. Assessment of learning tasks need to enable students to show the complexity of their understanding. Students need to be able to apply key concept, knowledge, skills, and attitudes in ways that they are authentic and consistent with current thinking in the knowledge of domain. The assessment of learning, the method chosen need to address the intended curriculum outcomes and then continuum of learning that is required to reach the outcome. The method must allow all students to show their understanding and produce sufficient information to support credible and defensible statements about the nature and quality of their learning so that others can use the result in appropriate ways. Assessment of learning includes not only tests and examination but also a rich variety of products and demonstration of learning portfolios, exhibitions, performance, presentations, multimedia project, and a variety of other written, oral and visual methods, etc. Thank you.